So today I thought I would give you a close view of the screen as I finally exit my braking period of this bike. So I've been to the dentist and I pulled a tooth about 2 days ago, or about 48 hours ago. So if I talk a bit weird, that's probably why, because my mouth is lacking a tooth it usually has. I have actually ordered a couple of new earplugs, so I should be able to hear the engine better, because right now I'm using those foam plugs, those disposable, use only once, and yeah, it's not the greatest thing for the environment, and they're not really that great for motorcycle riding because you can't really hear a lot. I can barely hear myself. There we go! At 8 p.m. we reached 1600 kilometers and we can now release the full RPMs of this bike. Finally!